Hi guys and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically and manually activate and deactivate the automatic handbrake on a 2020 Toyota Corolla. Let's start with how to manually deactivate the automatic handbrake. So when you put the car into ignition or turn the car on, you will find the automatic handbrake will come on by itself. The red light shows that the automatic handbrake is activated. To deactivate it, just press your foot on the brake pedal and press the button down, and you will find the light has disappeared. This means the automatic handbrake has disengaged. To engage the automatic handbrake, just make sure the car is in park mode first, and then press the button up, and the red light should reappear. This means the automatic handbrake is now activated. For those people who are not a fan of activating and disengaging the automatic handbrake by themselves, the car is able to do this for you. To do this, just press the automatic handbrake up towards you and hold it for a few seconds. Once you've done this, a message will appear stating the EFB shift interlock activated. What this now means is that every time you go into park, the car will automatically put the automatic handbrake on for you, and every time you put it into drive, the car will automatically disengage the handbrake for you. I hope this was helpful. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.